Hey, great day to you. So does Etsy integrate with Xero? And the answer is yes. And there's a really cool connector app called Link My Books that can help you connect between Xero and Etsy. In the description, you are going to find a free trial of Link My Books, plus a special free onboarding link, the best coupon code for Link My Books so you can save money, and tutorial videos that show you how to use it. Now, Link My Books can help you with Etsy integration. So sync Etsy payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, giving you a clear breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So it works with Xero to Etsy, but also Etsy to QuickBooks, all right? And basically, Link My Books is accounting and bookkeeping software, so accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for. Automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks. Built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Free trial link is in the description with free onboarding, best coupon code, and the videos that show you how to use Link My Books. Another cool thing about Link My Books that it works, as previously mentioned, with Etsy to Xero or QuickBooks, but also Amazon, Shopify integration, eBay, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, WooCommerce to Xero or QuickBooks. And another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers that are handling e-commerce sellers. So if you are an e-commerce seller, we have prepared for you a video in the description. It's a tutorial, 30-minute tutorial with myself, Bova Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, who is the co-founder of Link My Books. In this tutorial, we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z, 30-minute tutorial. We explain to you everything step by step so you can make the most out of it. Now, if you are an accountant or bookkeeper that is handling e-commerce clients on those platforms previously mentioned, then we have another video for you. It's a 41-minute tutorial, again, with myself and Daniel Little from Link My Books, co-founder. It's a 41-minute tutorial in which we show you how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. We dive deep, show you everything step by step so you can enhance your accounting or bookkeeping business if you're an accountant or a bookkeeper. So again, can you integrate Etsy and Xero or QuickBooks? The answer is yes, and Link My Books can help you with that. In the description, we have free trial, free onboarding link, best coupon code, the tutorial videos. It's going to be an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content. Truly appreciate that. I've been creating content for you here on YouTube since 2018 or so, and I really love it, and I will continue doing it for you and also for myself since I enjoy this process a lot. So all the links are in the description. You can also find me at vovaevan.com, my blog with over 600 blog posts for you for different topics in e-commerce and Amazon. Good luck to you, be well, and let's reach new heights this year. Good luck.